All right, let's be honest. Most of us want to improve our lives, but where do you actually start? If you're anything like me, you've probably tried a few hobbies over the years, but maybe nothing's really stuck. Well, 2025 is here, and I've got some creative, fun, and genuinely life-changing hobbies that can help you level up. Let's dive in. First up, digital journaling. I know, journaling sounds old school, but digital tools have turned it into something really powerful. Apps like Notion or Obsidian let you track your thoughts, set goals, even lay out your daily routines in a way that's flexible and actually enjoyable. Plus, you can add photos, drawings, or voice memos, making it way more than just scribbles in a notebook. This isn't just about writing, it's about designing your own mind. Next, let's talk about creative coding. Now, before you roll your eyes and say, "I'm not a tech person," hear me out. Coding in 2025 isn't just about building apps or websites. Platforms like Processing or P5.js let you make digital art, generative music, or even interactive stories. It's a blend of logic and creativity that's surprisingly addictive. And you don't need a degree to get started, just curiosity and a laptop. All right, switching gears, try urban foraging. Yep, that's right. I'm talking about discovering edible plants, herbs, or even mushrooms in your local parks or green spaces. It's an amazing way to reconnect with nature, learn a bit of botany, and it's oddly meditative. Just make sure you know what you're picking. Nobody wants a dodgy mushroom stew. Now, if you're after something productive and social, language exchanges are having a big comeback. Forget dusty textbooks. Apps and virtual meetups connect you with real people from around the world. You could be cooking with an Italian in Naples or swapping jokes with a Brazilian in Rio, all from your living room. It's learning, it's cultural, and it's a brilliant way to make new mates. Finally, making music with AI. Sounds futuristic, but it's here. Tools like Soundful or Amper let you create your own tracks, play around with different genres, and collaborate with AI to produce something unique. You don't need to be Mozart, just curious enough to experiment. So whether you get into digital journaling, creative coding, urban foraging, language exchanges, or even AI-powered music, the point is this: a new hobby can genuinely transform your life. It's not just about filling time, it's about discovering new sides of yourself, and maybe even making the world a bit brighter along the way. Go on, 2025 is waiting. Which hobby will you try first?